Did you know the fastest way to convert binary fractions into decimal? Let's try with this example. Step 1, we have to separate integer part and the fraction part. So let's start with integer part. So what you have to do, just multiply each bit by power of 2. Okay, from right to left. So this is the direction you have to follow. One into 2 power 0. So 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 11. Now let's do the fraction part. That is 1 into 2 power minus 1. So what you have to do, you have to just multiply with the negative powers of 2. Okay, plus 0 into 2 power minus 2 plus 1 into 2 power minus 3. So that is equal to 0.5 plus 0 plus 0.125, that is equal to 0.625. So finally what we have to do, we have to just add 11 plus 0.625. You're going to get 11.625. So the short trick is left of decimal positive powers of 2 and right of decimal negative powers of 2. Easy, right?